today I thought I'd show you how to make this funky thriller graphic for coming soon. Obviously, I've chosen coming soon. You could put your book title or something in it. Okay, I will show you how to make this. It's a bit fiddly, so bear with me. And before we go, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel because it makes a big difference, and it'll notify you whenever I have a new video up. Okay, let's go to Canva. So we're going to start with a new document. I'm opening an existing document just because it's there and it's easy. So first thing we're going to write coming word soon, because that's the one that we're going to animate. Well, we're going to make it hollow. So get the word soon, put it in the middle. In fact, let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, and then you download that as a JPEG. So you flatten the image so it looks like one image, and you download it as a JPEG. Okay, and then click done and it will download it. I've already got one, so as a JPEG, and you open it here and you put it somewhere in the middle. And now what you want is for the word to look like it's part of the background. So you're going to center it, there we go, and then turn the background to black so that now it looks like the word is part of the background, right? And then you download that as a JPEG. Okay. And then you go back into Canva and you re-upload it, and this is now a flattened image that looks like that. Okay. Now, just to show you what I mean, I'm going to make a square. Okay, and let's turn it a different color so you can see it, and send it to the back. Show layers panel, Alt L. Okay, and I'm going to detach this from the background. Detach image from background, because for some reason it always, the lowest image kind of, it sticks it to the background. So now you've got the word soon in front and this square at the back, and you can't see it. See, it's at the back. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to delete that square for the minute. Now what we're going to do is we're going to expand this to fill the whole of this rectangle here. Expand it to fill the whole of the rectangle. And then we're going to go edit photo and background remover. And there you can see it's taken out all of the black. So now if you put a rectangle in it, and position it, see, it's stuck it to the background again. It's really annoying. There you go. Now, as you can see, the word soon is transparent in the middle, so you can move this rectangle about. It moves behind the word soon. Okay, right. So let's get rid of this rectangle again. Okay, so now we've got the word soon. And next thing we want to do is we want to fill up this space. So now we want the word coming to be added to it. And let's make this centered so that we don't have to move it again. Okay. That's about right. Yeah. And then add text. Coming. Let's line it up so that it's about the same size as the edges. Center it just in case. Okay, it needs to go down a little bit. There we go, coming soon. Okay, and then we'll give that a very dark blood red color. I looked at a whole lot of videos and I think it was red ink that I used. Yeah, blood red ink. There you go. Okay. So I used blood red ink, and this is what I found. So what we want to do is we want to put this blood ink thing at the back. So we're going to go to layers panel, and show layers. Okay, so the video has to go right to the back, and I'm going to make it smaller so that it fills up most of this word soon when the blood comes in. Okay, maybe up a bit. Okay, right. Now we fill up the rest of it, so that's fine. Let's make a rectangle, nice yellow rectangle, and fill up most of this extra space that we have. Like I say, you may not want to use yellow. I just happened to use yellow and it worked, so. Another rectangle. Again, make it the same yellow. And it just needs to come in under the word soon. And again. And then Control C, Control V. There we go. Right. That should do it. Go back to the beginning and play. There you go. Lovely, creepy, blood flowy coming soon video for you. And then you just go and download it as an MP4, which is a video format. And then you can use it. And you could use, I mean, maybe some police tape on here would be quite nice. Let's have a look. Police tape. Maybe some biohazard tape. There we go. There you go. That will be quite a nice thing to do. Okay, put some biohazard tape in, and yeah, then you have quite a nice video to use if you're waiting for your book cover still. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, please tell anybody else that might find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's loads of videos on how to use Canva to advertise your books now, so please go and check them all out. If you have anything that you want me to cover, pop a question in the comments box, and I will try and work out how to do it for you and do a video. Thank you very much for your time.